What are you looking for? Sexy, panty, affordable, lingerie haul? What are you waiting for? Come on. See that girl? Watch this panty. You will be a dancing queen. Let's do it. Today's video, it's going to be, of course, another affordable, sexy lingerie haul. And of course, it's see-through, transparent, sexy. You can imagine anything in this collection, you guys. Now let's move on to our first underwear. Let's make it more exciting, shall we? Ta-da! First, yes. What can it be? Look at me. What can it be? Ito. Tcharan! Wala, pink. Wait, parang the same sa gi-order ko. Oh, different, guys. Different. Oh, this is exciting. Look at that. I thought it's butterfly, flower, lace, embroidery, G-string, of course, again, thong. Yes, it's very sexy. Light material. The seams are pretty good. I don't see any like loose threads in here. Oops, nope, chode. There's a loose thread over here. Look at that. She-bang. Two stripes here. Living la vida loca. You are going to be so sexy with this one. Triangle in the back. Para tong si Kim Kardashian look. Very tiny, small. You need to be butty in here. That's the first panty. Next panty, let's dig into, of course, my favorite again. What is it? Ta-da! Black. Next one. Cheating. Hala! Kagaya ito sa mga friendship ko. Black lang to. My friends' panties, they are like, I see purple, orange. G-bang. Dita, gihapon nimong kagmaon na ni guys. You can dance. You can try. Having the time of your life. See-through polka dot. And the back here, like, kudlit lang. See that girl? Watch this panty. You will be a dancing queen. It is very nice. Light. Look at the edges over here on like the rubber. Pero feel na ko, guys, na malangkat nagdali. Pugso ni mo, ba't ana ba? Langkat. If you wear this, very careful lang. And if you have a dress, not too tight, and also the materials on the dress that you're wearing is not too heavy as well, because this is so light material. Cut yung nagdali. Feel the heat and the tambourine. Oh yeah. Sa taas, sabi. Alright, for our next lingerie haul, it's going to be ito guys, ha? O, diva? Inutil, hindi hapon tutuyin. O, diva? Hi, Daisy Lopez. I love you. Inutil. Diva? Kita na natin ang ating orange panty. Mga galunggong dyan. Ready na ba kayo? Sana naman siyang pantihan eh. Embroidery na naman, guys. Oh, it's like a similar to the black polka dot. Yeah, kita gyud ko kagmaon. See that girl? See-through flowers, mesh type, and of course, triangle in the back. Thong, of course, hindi yan mawawala. Oh yeah! Maganda dito, oh. Design siya. Flower. Pero, nasa side. You can dance. You can try. Having the time of your life. Watch that scene. Get the dancing queen. So these are all 3 pieces of panty for today. I hope you like this underwear haul of mine, and I hope you keep on coming to my channel like this so I could do some more. Thank you so much for watching, and Beauty Magz here. Until next time.